Hi guys, welcome back to another video by me, Lizzie Lovett. So today I thought I'd bring to you a video on getting the summer house in the garden ready for my sister's 30th birthday and the new arrival of my baby niece. So we're gonna have a little small party, little gathering, little celebration in this house here. Obviously a bit of social distancing, and there's not gonna be too many of us, just a few friends and family, close family. And don't forget, if you really enjoyed this video, please follow me on Instagram, like this video, and subscribe down below. So let's just go straight into this and see what happens. Okay guys, so I've got here a special guest. She's going to be featured in this video because obviously I can't do all this creative stuff without her. And that's my mum. Hey! So we are going to show you what we're going to get up to and show you what little bits and bobs we've got, we're going to decorate with, and hope you enjoy. So let's just crack right on.
One man's trash
It's another one's treasure.
So I never throw anything away.
We love doing stuff like this, don't we, Mum?
Yeah. There's always something you can make out of nothing.
She always comes out with something and I'm like, where did you get that from? And she's like, oh, I just found it in my drawers. Right, heading outside to the summer house. Ooh. Here we go, is a better look of the house. It's a bit of a mess at the moment.
But you know, you have to store stuff somewhere. But
Yeah.
once it's all out on the day on Rachel's birthday, it'll look lovely.
Yeah.
So we're gonna theme it more like a baby shower in here. But it's somewhere nice and cool if Rachel needs to go and feed baby or just needs to
get her booby out.
So this is what the house outside summer house looks like right now. You can see the before. Just store a few things in here, and then when we need it we take everything out and sort it out. But yeah. And you'll see the finished product, the finished masterpiece after. Oh, my dad's swimming trunks. What? More videoing, Mum. Come and check out what we've done so far. This is our progress.
I like it. I really like it. It's simple, not too over the top.
So you did cut some flowers, are you? Yes, I've got my silk flowers, so I can't even remember where they were from, but I think TK Maxx. Love TK Maxx. I got some jars that we had for Rachel's wedding, so I use those, and I like to pop them in my little bird cages.
You don't want to see what's going on outside right now. We've kind of just chucked everything out in the garden for the time being. We'll figure out what we're going to do with all of it for now, and then obviously it'll kind of go back in at some point. But you know, we're getting somewhere, aren't we, Mum?
I'm loving it, and this is my favourite bit.
Cutting the flowers.
Always put a little bit of lavender in with everything because that always smells nice and the bees love it. So if they don't mind me picking some, I always take some and then they'll regrow again.
Just come in with something.
Here we are.
Oh,
How pretty is that? And what?
that looks so good.
Is that brilliant?
That looks really good.
Just a few little
Smells
garden flowers.
so good. Okay guys, so it is the day of my sister's birthday and little celebration stuff. I've just got finished getting ready. My mum's still getting ready and my dad's just collecting a few bits and pieces that you need to get, like the food and stuff, you know, the essentials. I'm in the summer house right now. I've got to finish getting a few things ready. So I've got to pop a few pillows outside. It's not the best of weather today, but we will make do. So yeah, just get a few pillows out, get the balloons and bring them out to the summer house, and then people will be arriving about 12 o'clock, so my auntie and uncle will be coming, and yeah, I think someone has just got back, probably my dad, so hey. So my sister has no idea what's happening, well hopefully she doesn't. I think she thinks she's just coming round to see me and like my mum and dad, and yeah, so it will be very interesting to see her reaction. I better crack on because I've got like no time. I think it's like half an hour until people start arriving. I'll do a little bit of filming later on and show you what we get up to.
I'm back. Got all the stuff. Look at my red face. Yeah, loves it.
He's just a bit crazy, a bit excited, aren't you, Dad? Yeah. Ready to see the final masterpiece that me and Mum have been working on. Mum's been working very hard. But here is the conservatory that we've done. Oh, my dad's just flushing the toilet in the background, yep. Little balloons for the boys, my nephews. Table, little bumblebee. Ooh, cakes. Let's go outside, it's very windy. Oh. Things are blowing away already. Don't get stung. Oh, Dad!
What's that?
Sneaking out, trying to find some snacks probably.
Who's hiding some snacks?
I'm just doing a bit of videoing, showing the final piece that me and Mum have been working on.
What about me? How do I look?
You look great.
Do I? How's my face? Does it look really red again?
Can't really see with the light, you've got to come in here.
Oh, right.
You've got loads of lovely decorations up. There's a chair here where you can sit on, or you can sleep on if you want to, or Nigel fall asleep on. Nigel fell asleep. And we've got balloons for Rachel. I don't literally say, tell me what it is. And we've got a table. This is what you put things on the table. You put glasses. Why have you got down you? And we've got some biscuits here for Teddy and Kelly. Can I just say, what have we got a massive thing? Have you just seen my new hat? Captain America. I love you, Captain America. I love Hulk, and I love all superheroes. People think we're absolute lunatics. Yeah, that's my new hat. And I might do a bit of tambourine today. Like this. Drop me down the neck.
What's that?
I've got extension leads. Do you know what these are for?
What are they used for?
Use it for extending things.
So you can plug these in. Hey, let's demonstrate how you put an extension lead.
Look, this is an extension lead. You pull it out, go round back here,
Yeah.
and you plug it in, and the lead is extended.
Amazing!
Yeah. This extension lead, by the way, didn't work. No.
After all that?
Yeah, after all that.
So now we've got we're on a hunt for extension leads.
I know where it is anyway. You don't need to follow me.
Oh, I just want to follow you. Let's follow my mother. Oh, look at her strutting her stuff. She's look at her. Looking good, Mum.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, my dress is popping up.
And then in here, all nice and peaceful for mother and baby to sit and relax and do some breastfeeding. Ooh, get that boobies out. Or just come in here and have a bit of shade and chill. Really nice.
Love it.
I really like it. I think it's all done beautifully, and I'm really pleased with my balloons from the Party Boutique. And I think Lizzie's done a really good job.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Mummy!
Yeah, you look handsome.
Send it to Bobby.
Listen.
Cool, that's all sailing now.
You can always get some
What?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. What's up, some cake?
See? Is that Teddy's juice? Is it nice? Boys Club. You got your dummy.
Yes.
On your dummy.
Mum and daughter worked really hard on this, didn't
Yes.
Yeah.
See, it's not just easy. It doesn't all appear by magic.
we?
does
Magic,
it?
no. So we were impressed with
But-
our little job that we've done.
Oh, I think we are, and I
feel
think
like I'm
we
really squinting.
deserve a little glass of something special.
Gin and tonic. Or Prosecco. Oh, I think
Or
it's-
both.
Oh yeah, just both.
Let's go all out.
Let's just go all out.
Anyway, remember to subscribe.
Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below.
below.
Give it a massive thumbs up and follow me on
How can it
Instagram.
always be down below? Why can't it be up above?
Well, it just works that way, doesn't it?